Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to tell which version of Squarespace you're using. Knowing your Squarespace version is essential because the interface and available features can differ significantly between versions, and it helps you follow the right tutorials and troubleshooting guides for your site. First, open your browser and navigate to spacesquare.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are managed. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Click on any website you want to check. This will take you to the specific site's management area where you can access various settings and editing tools. Now, on the upper right corner of your screen, click on the Edit Site button. This will open the site editor, which is where you'll be able to identify your Squarespace version based on the layout and interface elements that appear. Here's where it gets interesting. Take a look at your screen carefully. If you see a right arrow icon on the upper right corner of your screen, that means you're using version 7.1 of Squarespace. This is the newer, more streamlined version that Squarespace introduced to simplify site building. However, if the arrow is positioned on the upper left corner instead, that indicates you're using version 7.0, which is the older version with a slightly different interface and feature set. There's also another way to confirm if you're using version 7.1. When you click on pages in the left lower section of the editor, you should see the text version 7.1 displayed clearly. This is a quick and definitive way to verify your version without having to rely solely on the arrow placement. And that's it. You've now identified which version of Squarespace you're using. This knowledge will help you navigate your site editor more effectively and ensure you're following version-specific instructions whenever you need help or want to customize your site further. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.